Your laptop is overheating, and it's not always a software problem. For better gaming performance, you need to check the thermal paste. Over time, thermal paste dries out, cracks, and loses its ability to transfer heat. That's why your laptop throttles, lags, and burns your hands. Here's the fix. Open carefully. Disconnect the battery. Clean off the old crusty paste with isopropyl alcohol. Apply a fresh pea-sized drop. Reassemble. You'll see temperatures drop 20 to 30 degrees, and gaming performance bounces back. Check thermal paste every 2 to 3 years, or when you notice heat and throttling. Subscribe for more real hardware tips. Your laptop will thank you.